Let's not waste any time here. Let's talk about money, specifically how to make it work harder for you. Today, we're sharing 10 game-changing money hacks using low-cost index funds that can totally transform your financial health. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your investment game, these hacks are pure gold. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about low-cost index funds? Well, in a nutshell, they're like the superheroes of the investing world. They're basically baskets of different stocks or bonds that allow you to invest in the broader market without breaking the bank. And the best part? They come with super low fees, meaning more money stays in your pocket. We're talking about potentially life-changing returns over the long haul. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive right into these incredible money hacks. Listen up, because this first hack is crucial. Start early. I'm talking about investing as soon as you can. No, seriously, like right now. Why is it so important? Because time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And trust me, that growth can be absolutely insane thanks to the power of compound interest, which we'll get into in a bit. Think of it like this: planting a tree. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Even if you can only invest a small amount right now, it's better than nothing. Remember, every dollar you invest today is a seed that has the potential to grow into a massive financial tree in the future. So, don't wait. Start small, start now, and watch your money flourish over time. Let's talk about compound interest, often called the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It's the ultimate wealth-building tool, and here's how it works. When you invest your money, it earns interest. But here's the magical part. That interest then earns interest itself, and so on, creating a snowball effect that can lead to exponential growth over time. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger as it goes. That's compound interest in action. The longer your money compounds, the more powerful the effect becomes. It's like magic, but instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, you're pulling wealth out of thin air. So, embrace the power of compound interest and watch your money grow exponentially. Here's a money hack that's often overlooked. Pay attention to fees. Traditional investment funds can come with hefty fees that eat into your returns. But guess what? Low-cost index funds are here to save the day. They have super low fees, which means more of your money stays right where it belongs, in your pocket. Think of it like this. Would you rather pay $5 for a cup of coffee or $1? It's the same coffee, but you get to keep more money in your pocket with the cheaper option. The same principle applies to investing. By choosing low-cost index funds, you're essentially getting the same market exposure as expensive funds, but at a fraction of the cost. Over time, those small fee savings can add up to a significant amount of money, leaving you with more wealth to enjoy. Chapter 4. You know what they say. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Well, the same goes for investing. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns. Think of your investment portfolio like a delicious pizza. Instead of just having one topping, you want a variety of flavors to make it truly enjoyable. Low-cost index funds make diversification easy and affordable. By investing in a broad market index fund, you're essentially buying a tiny slice of hundreds, even thousands of different companies. This means you're not putting all your hopes on a single stock or sector. If one area underperforms, you have other investments to cushion the blow. Diversification helps you weather market storms and come out stronger on the other side. Chapter 5. Ever heard of dollar cost averaging? It's a fancy term for a simple yet incredibly effective investment strategy. Instead of trying to time the market and invest a lump sum all at once, which, let's be honest, is pretty much impossible, dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. Think of it like setting up automatic transfers to your investment account every month, like clockwork. The beauty of this strategy is that it takes the emotion out of investing. You're not panicking when the market dips because you're consistently buying in at different price points, which can actually work to your advantage in the long run. Dollar cost averaging is a set-it-and-forget-it approach that anyone can follow, regardless of their investment knowledge or experience. Chapter 6. Let's talk taxes. Nobody likes paying more taxes than they have to, right? Well, here's the good news. Low-cost index funds are known for their tax efficiency, meaning you get to keep more of your hard-earned money. How do they do it? Traditional actively managed funds often involve a lot of buying and selling, which can trigger capital gains taxes. Index funds, on the other hand, have lower turnover rates, meaning they trade less frequently. This translates into fewer taxable events and more money staying in your investment account to grow and compound. So, not only are you saving money on fees with index funds, but you're also potentially reducing your tax burden. It's a win-win situation. Chapter 7. Historical performance. The proof is in the pudding. Now let's talk results, because at the end of the day, that's what matters, right? Well, historically, low-cost index funds have a remarkable track record of delivering solid returns over the long term. Don't just take my word for it. Look at the data. Year after year, index funds have consistently outperformed many actively managed funds. Remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but it's a pretty good indicator. By investing in low-cost index funds, you're essentially betting on the overall growth of the market, which has historically trended upwards over time. So, if you're looking for a reliable and proven way to grow your wealth over the long haul, index funds are a fantastic option to consider. One of the best things about investing in low-cost index funds is that it's incredibly easy to get started. You don't need a finance degree or to be a Wall Street whiz to make smart investment decisions. Nowadays, there are countless online platforms and robo-advisors that make investing in index funds a breeze. You can open an account in minutes, choose your investments, set up automatic contributions, and bam, you're an investor. These platforms do all the heavy lifting for you, from rebalancing your portfolio to reinvesting dividends. It's like having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips, but without the hefty price tag. Investing in low-cost index funds is a long game, not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about planting the seeds for your financial future and watching them grow over time. Remember that tree analogy from earlier? It takes time for a tree to mature and bear fruit, but the rewards are well worth the wait. The same principle applies to investing. By staying consistent with your contributions, riding out market fluctuations, and letting the power of compound interest work its magic, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial success. So, be patient, stay the course, and watch your wealth flourish over time. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the power of compound interest to the importance of diversification and the ease of investing in low-cost index funds. But here's the most important takeaway. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Don't let procrastination hold you back from achieving your financial goals. Remember, even small contributions can add up to significant wealth over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards securing your financial future and start investing in low-cost index funds today. So there you have it, 10 life-changing money hacks using low-cost index funds. By understanding and implementing these strategies, you're setting yourself up for a brighter financial future. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. If you found these hacks helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, Subscribe to the channel for more awesome financial content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And hey, let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. What are some of your favorite money hacks? Share your wisdom, and let's learn from each other. Until next time, stay financially savvy.